Yeah, smile. It's a video. Yeah, no smile. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Where you going? Where you going? It might be instead of what you think is night-night. Yeah, yeah. No, I don't think that's what she was saying. What do you think she said? Maybe. She's yelling up the hallway, and then she just said it again when I wouldn't let her go. And I think Zach's a moron. Is that on video? Yeah.
No. No. No.
No what?
That's hot.
That only happened once.
No, we couldn't afford living in a place with radiators.
Yeah.
Wait on the floor.
Thank you. How big is Lily? Lily? How big is Lily? That's not how big she is.
No. No, that looks good.
Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, no, no. No.
She's okay.
Get in her face.
Come on.
Her hindquarters.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, come here.
Oh, get your hindquarters.
Can I comb your hair? Oh, let me comb your hair. Let me comb your hair. You want to comb Mimi's hair? You want to comb Mimi's hair? Comb Mimi's hair. No, don't comb mine.
Mom.
Comb Mimi.
Vale.
Comb Mimi's hair. Ready? Ready? Comb Mimi's hair. Oh, nice job. Oh, good job. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Mo.
Oh, pretty baby. He's a big baby.
Mo baby. Yeah.
He's so good. Hi, Uncle Baby.
Hi, Lily.
I just have a picture. Smiling and patient.
Because I can just screenshot it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Ever thought of that?
Yeah, but there's no flash.
You can still see your face.
Screenshot it as a video.
Yeah, you. Oh.
Well, what did you raise in the fire?
Because it won't be as bright. It'll be dark.
No, it's
You can't screenshot and put in a flash.
no. When you take a video, you can import it to the computer and then take a picture in the video.
But you can't add flash.
Yeah, she's
Because it's dark.
I can still see her.
I could see what he's recording. See, it's dark.
I can still see her though. She's still smart. Money.
You just got
Money.
Looks like you are. I think it's all gone.
Where you going, Lily?
It's all gone. Can you have it? You're going to go put it in the sink.